you gonna get in the way of...
Please drive to highlighted route.
Right.
Where you going?
We are going to RV Glass Solutions to get our windshield put in today. So our maiden voyage from Phoenix, we went through a dust cloud which peppered our windshield, chips all over it. So it was too much to get just a couple patches, so we had to get the whole windshield replaced. Thanks to Florida insurance, but Florida insurance is super expensive, so you do pay for it. But at the end of the day, I'm glad it covered it because it's very expensive. So as you saw in our previous video, when we made our maiden voyage out of Phoenix, and once we were leaving Phoenix, we got into a funnel cloud, a dust cloud that had rocks in it, and it really damaged our windshield, probably about 18 chips in it at least. So it was a little more than we could patch, or they would pay to patch, so they're going to replace it today, and we're off to RV Glass Solutions, so over in Lakeland. We'll try to capture a little of that video, the replacement, but we will not be with the rig as it's getting done, so it'll be in a different place. And so we'll hope to capture a little bit of that, but then give you guys a glimpse what it looks like before and after. Okay, just so you know how this came about, getting a new windshield. So initially we called Progressive about just getting them filled, and Progressive came back and said that they would fill 3 of them. But in the process, I was like, 3 is not going to be enough. We have like 18 chips in the windshield. Some small, about quarter size, some a lot smaller. But I was like, there's no way. I said, there's no way that's going to work. And down the road, we're going to have problems. So we did talk to them about replacing it, and thankfully they worked with us. Just want to give a shout out to Bruce Williams, a good friend of ours who works at the glass place that we're going to, and recommended them. And so we're gonna go to RV Glass Solutions, and we're getting a new windshield on this big boy. So up here at Lakeland at RV Glass Solutions, and they put a new windshield in it yesterday. We're letting it dry today, and just came by to check it out and sign some paperwork. But anyway, it looks great. So super excited to have a clean windshield and not one with about 18 pits in it. So excited to get in this thing and take it home. All right, here we are picking up the rig today with the new glass in it. I'm with Bruce Williams from Coach Glass, and Bruce, we appreciate you guys taking care of us. I know you and I go back a ways.
Absolutely.
And so can you explain the process of replacing this glass out?
Basically what happens is, if you can see over to that side, we'll pull the coach into the bay. A lot of it has to do with, basically it depends on what needs to be replaced. If it's the window, if it's a gasket, you know, they'll go in there, they'll take a gasket off and replace it, reseal it back up, clean it up and all that stuff. And the glass is still good. As in your case, they took everything off. We had to pull another windshield out of the warehouse because you had all the chips. They go in there and they put the urethane on it. Well, first of all, they'll get it all cleaned up. They put the urethane on it. They set the window in there, get it into place, because that takes, it has to be done really quick. Come in, and then they do the flush mount kit, which, they're really basically just filling in the back stuff, filling in all this right here, smoothing it out, making it look good, and just cleaning up the window. So it's basically a 2-day process.
Well, awesome. How much does the glass weigh?
Glass like that probably weighs anywhere between probably 150 to 180 pounds.
But it is a 2-man job the way they do it here, but they do it really safe. And so if you're ever in the Lakeland area, Orlando, Tampa, anywhere in this region, and you need some glass repair, reach out to those guys. They do excellent work. All right, Bruce, appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Excellent.
Thanks.
Pretty. No blue tape in that window. that window? Can you see out it clear?
Yeah, beautiful.
Your clear new window?
Very nice.
RV glass expert.
So he's just hitting buttons.
That, yeah, he probably took the parking brake off.
That's it. There it is. Leave the house. Yeah.
Peace out. Enjoy that new window view. So, just like that, we have a new windshield in our big RV. Clear views, that's what's happening.